Today we are settling the ultimate AI debate of 2026, Claude Opus 4.6 versus GPT 5.4. Which of these frontier models is actually better, and which one is more powerful? Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about OpenAI's GPT 5.4, which dropped in early March. This model is an absolute powerhouse. It brings a massive 1.05 million token context window and features granular reasoning effort controls. The biggest pro of GPT 5.4 is its raw intelligence and its strict adherence to complex specifications. If you give it a highly detailed prompt or a precise formatting rule, it locks in and executes flawlessly. It also features incredible native computer use for automation and boasts a 33% reduction in factual errors compared to its predecessors. The main con? It can be quite verbose, and developers are noticing that during extremely long, multi-step agent workflows, it can occasionally lose the thread and forget a constraint it set earlier in the process. On the other side of the ring, we have Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.6, released in February. Opus 4.6 also features a 1 million token context window, but it introduces a game-changing architecture called context compaction. This basically eliminates context rot. The biggest pro for Opus 4.6 is its unparalleled reliability in long-horizon tasks. Whether it is refactoring massive codebases or doing deep financial analysis, it stays entirely on track without needing you to hold its hand. It scored an incredible 76% on a 1 million token retrieval test. The con? It has a premium cost for massive context loads, and because of its deep reasoning, it can sometimes overthink simpler tasks if you don't turn down its adaptive effort controls. So, which is more powerful? If we are talking sheer out-of-the-box speed, strict instruction following, and native computer control, GPT 5.4 takes the crown. It feels like a high-speed, hyper-competent executor. But, if you need an AI to autonomously manage a massive project, think through edge cases, and sustain a complex workflow without making unforced errors, Claude Opus 4.6 is undeniably the more reliable and powerful choice for sustained reasoning. Ultimately, it comes down to your workflow. Use GPT 5.4 for precise specifications, rapid multi-tool execution, and everyday automation. Pick Claude Opus 4.6 when you need a patient, thoughtful agent for deep coding and complex knowledge work.